Hello everyone, this is Janelle from Studio Lipsy, and today we're going to be decorating this really cute gingerbread house. So I just want to go through and give you an overview of how it looks when it's completely put together. One thing I really want to make sure you're aware of is to make sure these holes are at the top of the roof so you can put a string through it and hang it if you'd like. Your kit will also come with a tea light, and there's what it looks like all lit up and glowing. Let's go over what is going to be included in your kit. So at this point, all your wood pieces are completely decorated. So now you're going to go ahead and glue the frosted paper on the back, and then you're going to glue the trim pieces on the front. You're going to do this with both sides, and you will do it with the front of the house. And then you're going to glue the trim pieces to the front and the cute little window shade on the top of the front trim piece. And then there's the cute little ornament decoration. So I just want to demonstrate kind of how it's going to start coming together with the roof and the snow pieces. The roof is going to go into these notches of the snow, so that's how the snow will be attached. This smaller piece is the base, and it's what everything's going to hook onto. So the front and the back piece are going to go onto these notches. Then these are the side pieces. They're going to kind of angle outwards, and they're just going to go on the sides just right there. Here is the back piece. This is the flap that lifts up so you can put your tea light inside. What your kit will come with will be the back and front. Then you will have your two sides. Then your two roof pieces, the base, then your two snow for the front and the back. You'll also get your frosted paper for the windows. Then you will get your window trim and your door trim, along with your cute little ornaments and that top trim for the front top window. You'll also get some cute Christmas trees, super glue to glue it all together. You twist that cap on to open it up, and then a tea light. Now let's package it all up. Let me know what you think of this house in the comments, and if you'd like me to do a full tutorial of how to put it together, let me know. Thanks for watching.